All right, today we are going to do a final flip through of this September floral journal. It was created with the September Florals envelope journal kit and add-on kit by Noteworthy by Michele. You can find the link to that in the description. And here is the cover. This just has a removable piece of ribbon as a closure, but you can certainly glue it on and have it be on there. And you can see that it looks like an envelope. And here is a place you can tuck a journal card in. So this opens and you have this here, have a pocket here. There's lace on the edge. Has some journaling cards in the front pocket. And there's also an envelope back here that has a list. Okay. Here we have a stacked pocket full of ephemera, and in the back of the pocket is a journaling card. It has some of the dot grid on the back, so you can write on that, make some notes. I love these pages. This is my favorite page from the kit. And then we have a pocket here that's been sewn in with a journaling card. And I might put some dot paper or paper on the back of that if I want. Here I have a little envelope. This is actually a CD envelope. You can see from the front, and it has a card in it. And you can also add something in there, however you would like that to be. Another one of my favorites. Actually, I think they're all my favorites, so don't let me tell you otherwise. This is just a page that I printed at 80% to use as a filler and to be able to write things here. Here I have the square grid paper on the back of this one. This has some coffee dyed paper in it as well. This, I don't know if you can tell, but there's lines on this page. A lined writing page. And then we have more. This is the same as the envelope that I just used as a tuck spot on this page. Here's another page I printed at 80%. And just a journaling card. That was the extra piece from the flap. This is a little envelope with a little card inside. This is one of my favorite parts of this journal. It is a envelope page that is made out of vellum, and it is full of ephemera that I'm going to use while I work my way through this journal. More journaling cards. There's plenty of place to journal in this. Little ticket and journaling card and tag. This is a tag. It can be cut apart or used as a page marker. I didn't have any magnet to put on there, but I will be getting some magnets and put that on, and it'll be a magnet page marker, bookmark. Oops, I think I got this one in here. Doesn't belong there. There we go, just another tag for journaling. Here's the vellum piece. I thought I would put that up there when I do my journaling, so I just tucked that right here. This is the center page, full of lovely roses and some script writing. Another envelope attached at the top. And these can be attached with glue or with paper clip. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it, so I've just put it there with paper clips so far. This is the other side of the envelope made out of vellum. Some more journaling cards here. Another envelope. Lots of pockets in this journal. Plenty of places to write, labels. I have really enjoyed putting this together with you. Another CD holder. Oh, this is my tab that's going to go at the top of that page, but I'm not going to put that in until I do my journaling. I also have another journal that is pretty much exactly the same as I was working through, and some taped areas did not get on the tape that I recorded. And if you're interested in that, you can contact me at my email below, and we'll see about doing a private sale for that. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this journal, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care. Bye.